As Nigeria joins other countries of the world to commemorate 2023 World AIDS Day, the Minister of State, Labor and Employment, Nkiruka Onyejiocha, in collaboration with the International Labour Organization, has called for a change of attitude and support for people living with HIV/AIDS, saying the disease is not an unforgivable sin, life sentence, or witchcraft. Clearview News Imefuno Kon has the details.
Every year on December 1st, the world celebrates World AIDS Day. As at the end of 2022, global data indicates that approximately 39 million people were living with HIV, emphasizing the workplace as a critical nexus for promoting awareness, prevention, and support. As Nigeria joins other countries of the world to observe the day, the Minister of State, Labor and Employment, Nkiruka Onyejiocha, said HIV/AIDS is not a death sentence or witchcraft, hence the need for a change of attitude and support for people living with the infection, just as the International Labour Organization's ILO called for a platform to reach out to those infected with the disease.
So I frown at people looking at somebody with HIV/AIDS like the person has committed any sin, like somebody is a witch or like somebody is being bedeviled because I've seen places where people living with HIV and AIDS and the family had to send them away. Because they say it's infectious. Oh, they cannot drink with the same cup. Oh, they cannot sleep in the same room. Oh, they send their people away. I've seen workplaces that somebody has disclosed his or her status. They won't give the person assignment. It has to change. These people are human beings. And HIV/AIDS is not a death sentence. It is not. It has been proven medically that when you take care of yourself, when you take your medication, when you eat well, that you can live as long as God has ordained for you to live. So let us show love to people who are suffering with this ailment, and let us show love to our people.
The revised policy calls for the design and implementation of tripartite workplace policy and program on HIV/AIDS in alignment with national policy and strategies on HIV. It calls for fundamental human rights of all workers, including observance of the principle of gender equity and the right to be free from compulsory testing and disclosure of HIV status, while encouraging everyone to undertake voluntary, confidential HIV counseling and testing as early as possible.
The theme encourages us to foster environments where communities take an active role in shaping the narrative, dispelling myths, and providing support to those affected by HIV/AIDS.
NLC, TUC, NECA, and their affiliates, in their goodwill messages, said the launch of the National Workplace Policy on HIV/AIDS is a commendable initiative, showcasing a collective determination to foster a healthier and more inclusive work environment.
We look forward to the positive impact that will undoubtedly emanate from the implementation of the National Workplace Policy on HIV and AIDS in Nigeria. As an organization, NECA is committed to working with the government and other stakeholders in promoting policies that support the growth of the private sector and the development of skilled, productive, and a safe workplace.
As we unite to tackle the challenges posed by this global health concern, we must acknowledge the collective efforts required to foster a healthy and supportive work environment for all.
By launching this policy, we are taking a crucial step towards eliminating discrimination and reducing the stigma surrounding HIV and AIDS. It is our collective responsibility to ensure equal opportunities, fair treatment, and access to support services for all employees, regardless of their HIV status.
According to the World Health Organization (WHO), HIV/AIDS remain a significant global public health concern, with some nations experiencing alarming increases in new infections despite previous declines. Highlights of the event included the launch of the National Workplace Policy on HIV/AIDS. The theme for the 2023 World AIDS Day is "Let Communities Lead." Imefonokon reporting for Clever News.